Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on cloud applications with Zoho detailed guide step by step clearly. To save on cloud applications with Zoho, start by assessing your business needs. Identify the specific applications that are essential for your operations. Explore Zoho's suite of applications to find the ones that best fit your requirements. Visit the Zoho website and review the available pricing plans for each application. Consider the free tiers offered by various Zoho apps to evaluate their features. Once you have chosen the necessary applications, create a Zoho account if you don't already have one. Select the applications you want to utilize and take note of any features that stand out. Take advantage of Zoho's bundled pricing by subscribing to multiple applications together. This can often result in significant cost savings compared to purchasing applications individually. Look for discounts or special offers that Zoho may promote periodically. If you're a nonprofit organization or educational institution, inquire about special pricing options. Regularly monitor your usage of the applications to avoid unnecessary expenses. Consider utilizing Zoho's integrations with other tools you may already be using. This can streamline processes and potentially reduce the number of applications you need. Implement training for your team to ensure they are making full use of the applications. Evaluate your subscription periodically to adjust based on changing business needs. If necessary, reach out to Zoho's customer support for assistance with managing your account. Take advantage of the community forums and resources available for additional tips and tricks. Stay informed about any new features or updates that could benefit your business strategy. By taking these steps, you can effectively save on cloud applications with Zoho while maximizing their utility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.